Good morning, everyone. This is the second week, I believe, of the funded challenge, or the third week. I'm not too sure. I'm currently in some NASDAQ buys to the upside. Not risking a lot here. I'm risking around $115 for 300 bucks or $200, mainly looking to get the 5 non-consecutive winning days of $200+. I'm trying just to hit that. I didn't want to take 2 contracts because I didn't know how volatile it'll be today. So I took one and I'm okay with this risk reward setup currently. If it hits 200 bucks, I'm closing my position. I will bring you guys back when something does end up happening. I'll most likely maybe take another trade today, but oh, this thing's bouncing on back here. I'll bring you guys back. All right, guys, I ended up closing my position. This thing is going to my stop loss, and much rather than it hitting full stop loss, I may as well close my position. 9:20 a.m. We're going to wait till after market open to find another setup. So I'll bring you guys back when we do find another setup. But I ended up cutting my position here. I'll bring you guys back. Well, this just aged very well. I got out around here and price just flew to the upside. I would have hit my TP and got my 200 bucks, but god damn, NASDAQ. Yeah, to do me like that. You gotta really do me like that? It is what it is. We got 5 minutes till market open, and we'll wait to see if we can catch a reversal to the downside and make some bread. I'll bring you guys back when I find a trade. All right, guys, we're jumping into some NASDAQ sells here. I saw NASDAQ break below, couldn't get a proper candle close below. This one kind of broke again below, flipped bullish, went up, and then we're seeing a flip now to the downside, and I decided to enter off of this closure right here. My stops are above this candle right here for literally half rest, $250, just aiming for lows basically, even these lows down here. Nothing too crazy. We will see what happens. I would probably even move this up to like right here. Yeah, I'll bring you guys back if stop loss or TP gets hit. All right, guys, I'm looking to close my position soon here. God damn, that is falling super hard right now. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, that is I didn't I was trying to move my TP down even more. I swear I would have been able to pass the second account literally $200 away, and I would have passed the second phase of the phase of the first account. I'm tripping on my words. That is, I've never seen that happen. I think every time that you guys have seen me trade, I've always like kind of manually closed my position, but like I was like panicking there. I was like trying to move my TP down a bit more. I'm like, okay, this is pushing on down. We could get 1500 and, you know, secure the pass on the second challenge. But hey, I ain't complaining. God damn, we're starting the week off like super strong. $1,300. Made $1,300, guys. Take that in. That's $1,300 in a single day. And how long? How long did it take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5 minutes, I made $1,300. And dude, I am for a loss of words right now. Like, you don't understand right now that I am at a loss for words right now. I am going to lock myself out because I'm literally shaking right now. And we gotta calm down and come tomorrow and win tomorrow again and see if we can pass this second phase. If we're able to pass it, I might even purchase like a 150k account to stack on top of it. But goddamn, mind blown. Okay, I'm gonna end the recording here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I shouldn't say if you are, I hope you are enjoying the video. And if you are, please hit that like button and subscribe. I keep forgetting to mention that. Our goal is to try to get to 1,000 subscribers, and it won't be possible without you guys subscribing and liking the video. And I will see you guys all tomorrow. Yeah, I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Well, what's going on, everybody, and welcome to Tuesday of the Top Step funded account series. We are in another trade currently on NASDAQ sells. This one's a more risky one. There's 2 minutes till market open. However, we are getting a little bit of a bounce and break off this 13. I may actually, I don't know, I may close this trade if I'm being honest, because it's the first break, and I'm afraid sometimes with the first break we normally get like a reversal happening before the second break happens. I'll just move my stops like right up here. I'm risking around $110 for $900. In this case, we're almost at that $3,000 mark, so I might even like manually close this position for follower account. Okay, let's go to leader account. I need to go to copy trading. Let's unfollow this. Reason why I have to disable it. Oh, did it kick me out of my position? It did. No. Okay, we have to go back here and sell it again. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's completely fine. That's completely fine. I was looking to try and pass this challenge on this trade, but that's fine. On the funded account, we're only down $102, which is totally okay. Now we just have to wait for a next setup to occur, and I'll bring you guys back when that next setup occurs. But let me just quickly explain what I was trying to do. I'm trying to unlink this 50K trading account because I'm only $400 away from passing it. And on the 50K account, that means I have to close the position at around 400, and I don't want to do that. So I would much rather enter the trade manually on both accounts and close my position manually, so that once the challenge gets passed around that $400 mark, then I can close that $400 and let the funded account ride. Basically, that's my whole goal. So I'll bring you guys back when another setup occurs. All right, guys, I am back. We're in some NASDAQ buys. Decided to take a quick aggressive entry on this trade here. It was playing around down here, but we're starting to see it go on up. Hoping that we can break above this VWAP, close above it. Then we can probably aim for these highs up here, but we will see what happens. So far, so good. I decided to take an aggressive entry over here, and then I noticed that it closed here, and I'm like, oh, maybe I shouldn't have taken it, but it's playing out here nicely. Close above VWAP, so I'll bring you guys back when something happens. Yeah, I'll bring you guys back. This would be my final trade. If this hits stop loss, I am closing my platform and I'm moving about my day. $65 on the table for risk, so that would put us literally at the $500 protected daily loss limit, and we are done. We'll see what happens. I'll bring you guys back. Okay, it looks like, yep, there we go. Stop loss got hit. Account express temporarily deactivated, PDL, which I'm perfectly fine with. Ooh, we took a $500 hit today. I'm not happy about that, if I'm being honest. Yeah, if I'm being honest, I'm not happy about that. It's still 1% of the $50,000 account balance that we're playing. I know it's not truly 1% of it, and we only have $2,000 of money in the balance. That's the way I like to think about it. Just, it's easier. It is what it is. If this trade breaks the 13, continues to the upside, then it is what it is. There's nothing that can be done. I love this protected daily loss limit. It saves you from going over tilt because it just locks you out. So you have to, it forces you not to trade basically. The first sell that I took would have hit if this candle didn't do like a liquidity grab. I was even planning on re-entering up here, like with the closure, something like this, with stops probably up here. Yeah, it would have just hit TP nicely. It just didn't work out. It is what it is. I will bring you guys back Thursday. There's nothing, I don't trade Wednesday, so I'll bring you guys back on Thursday. Yeah, now let's we're gonna see throughout the day that this is gonna break the 13 and continue to the upside. If it does, my heart will break. I will see you guys all Thursday. See you soon. Bye. Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, I believe the second week of this funded series. We're currently in some NASDAQ sells. Same strategy as always, break of the 13. We're not looking for much here. If this is actually before market open, before 9:30, and if we get a little bit of a push up here, I might take another position. Currently risking around $115 for potentially getting out around the $500, $600 mark. Not too much, not too less. Just trying to secure what I lost kind of yesterday. That's the trade currently that we're in. I will bring you guys back with any sort of updates to what happens. I'll see you guys soon. All right, guys, we're looking to close our position here soon. I'm just waiting for this to hit $3,000. That way we pass the challenge, and then I'm closing my position. Oh, are we seriously getting a bounce right now? We were like 50 bucks away from passing the challenge. Yeah, we're starting to get a bounce here. Okay, well, there's no reason for me to bring you guys back because we're just getting a bounce here. So I'm just going to bring you guys back when, I don't know, something happens. I got my stop loss up here so that at least we secured that $200. But I'll bring you guys back. All right, guys, we're gonna close our position here. Yeah, I'm out. If we take a look, oh God, did this not follow through? Okay, there we go. I was a bit scared there. Okay, if we take a look, we did end up passing the second account that I had attached to it at 53,000. We had a little bit of a bounce going on here, and I was scared that a reversal might happen, but I had my stop loss at a good place, so that even though if it hit my stop loss, that at least on my funded account, I'm able to hit that $200 non-consecutive days so that I can request a payout. But so far so good. We managed to pass a second account here, and soon we're going to be able to request a withdrawal. And I'm looking to probably purchase a 150k account from Top Step and attach it to this one while I trade both of these. So I'll trade all three simultaneously, and I'll have two funded accounts being traded while I added a third 150k account. And from there, I think the other two accounts are also going to be 150k accounts. So in total, I should have around, so if I do 150,000 times 3, $550,000 in funding, hopefully, when I add those 350k accounts plus these two 50k accounts. So I'll have around 550,000 in terms of capital to play with. Now, I know it's not truly, the amount balanced there. It's more so the drawdown is your true amount that you have. So like in this case, it would be $2,000 is technically what I actually have, and not $50,000. I just like to say that because it was the account I used. It just makes it easier for my brain. It is only $2,000, or it is only the drawdown that is the actual amount that you have in your account. Because once you blown that or gone to that drawdown level, then your account gets taken away. So in this case, a 50k account would have been $2,000. You really only have $2,000 in funding. And the 150k account, I believe it's like $4,000 or something like that. All good. As we can see currently right now, we got NASDAQ just pushing on up. So it's good that we got out of our position. But I'll catch you guys all tomorrow. Take care. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Friday. We're currently in some NASDAQ buys off of this 13 over here. I was looking for initially sells. When I first woke up, I kind of glanced at the markets, and there was a sell opportunity right here. Missed on that. And then there was a buy opportunity, but the candle was super big that I just didn't want to get involved in. And then I missed this sell opportunity over here as well, which would have given me like a 1 to 2. And now we were kind of bouncing around here, and I'm like, if we break this, I'll take a more aggressive entry towards the upside. And it looks like we did. So I'm just waiting to see what NASDAQ can do for us. Risking around $220 for around 800, 600. It looks like 600 bucks here off these highs. Can even put it up here maybe. This is on the funded account currently that we're on, as well as linked up with my other funded account. So I'm still trading that as well. So we will see what happens. Okay, guys, as we all saw, break even just got hit right over there. Honestly, I'm pretty happy about that. I'm going to call it a day here. I don't want to force any trades. Markets were looking super choppy regardless. And I was just expecting this to just, you know how it goes when price just straight up goes in that direction and doesn't bounce around. So this can go straight to my TP, but I wasn't really feeling it. I moved my stops to halfway, and then I moved my stops to break even, just because like I'm not trying to lose any more money. I'm already at that stage where I can request a payout, and I'm probably going to make a video on that. And I just don't want to lose the money I have. So it is what it is. We ended off the week in a green regardless. Oh my God. And we already, that was a perfect call, because we would have just lost 250 bucks regardless, or 100 bucks up here because I had my stop loss up here. Yeah, I wasn't really, like I said, I wasn't really feeling it. As soon as I saw it kind of bounce up here, I moved my stops to break even instantly so that I don't lose any money. And you know what I'm going to do? Hit the little eye icon all day and lock me out. That's it. We're done trading for today. It's Friday. Let's all go enjoy our weekend and come back stronger next week. I'm going to be purchasing a $150,000 account, and I'm going to be linking up to this so we can try to pass that one as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Our goal is 1,000 subscribers. Let's say by the end of the year is kind of where I want to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. And I will see you guys all next week. Take care. Goodbye.